At Ivy Tech, we've partnered with local HVAC companies to tailor our curriculum to industry needs. Our stackable credentials offer flexibility for the students to reach their educational and career goals. Plus, our HVAC program is industry accredited, giving our graduates the top-notch skills they need for a successful career in West Central Indiana and beyond.
Well, I actually started as a HVAC wholesale salesman. My technical knowledge was pretty sketchy. The technicians that come in, they knew more about what they wanted to buy than I did, and I wanted to be able to know just as much as they did. Ivy Tech provided the hands-on knowledge that I lacked. Whenever you're in the class and it's your chance to do hands-on, jump in there and do it, because if you're like me and you hadn't really had a whole lot of hands-on, more just book work, you get a lot of opportunities to do that at Ivy Tech, and it really helped me.
I was the kind of kid that would always take things apart, look at it, see how it worked. As I evolved into it, I started working on equipment and vehicles. After my father had passed away, I moved into a new house, and upon doing so, I needed to install a furnace in my house. I'd never done this before in my entire life. An old neighbor of mine asked if he could come and assist me on installing it. He was in the HVAC field, and I ended up installing my first furnace. My experience at Ivy Tech so far has been wonderful. All the professors have been excellent, are eager to help me anytime. Programs here are very hands-on. It helps me get a better grasp of things. And there is a lot to learn, especially in refrigeration, but it is quite rewarding and it's fun.